All right, so I want to put a hole in the sink, the stainless steel sink right there. So I marked the hole where I want to go with the hammer and screw. The next thing you need is 3-in-1 oil or some kind of oil. This is an oil intensive project because what we need to do is go through the stainless steel, and the only way you can really do this well is by having a stepper bit that will cut stainless steel. So I'll have a link in the description below for this. We got this off Amazon, and it's for stainless steel. I need the hole to be a 1/2 inch or better. So the lion's share of the work will just get it started, and then once it gets started, it should cut pretty quickly. Just using a regular drill. We're going to start with a little puddle of 3-in-1 oil there. Use the oil to help reduce the heat and make the cutting effective. And see, it's not taking a lot to get started. So you just keep the puddle of oil there, and it really makes cutting ideal. And right there, it's popped through. Again, not very difficult if you have the right bit. Now we'll make this just a little bit bigger. And I'm going to now I can put some oil on the bit itself. Getting a little hotter. We'll add some more. That looks pretty good. Give that a quick measure. As the hole gets bigger, the bit really has more surface area to adhere to, so it can give you a little torque action on there. So you just got to hold the drill pretty steady. Go slow. That's just short of a 1/2 inch, a little bit more. And you can see the shiny parts on this step bit is, they give you measurements on there. Is that 7/8, 1 1/8, and 1 3/8. So that's about 5/8, that's all I need. So again, the secret to this is the oil and the step bit. Hope this video helps. Thanks a lot for watching. Be sure and like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.